Hello guys, today I'm back for another video, and as you can see, we've opened the dividers and put some nest material in. So our breeding season has officially started. So yeah, as you can see, I haven't really been building in this one yet. The male is sitting on top there, as you can see. There's the female. And a little bit of nest material. And these are the big ones, the red mosaic agate. As you can see, they've started building very well. Very excited for them. Here I've got one of our newer pairs, the yellow mosaic agate, which I'm excited for this season. See, there's the... They haven't really started, they've got a bit there with nest material, but yes. As you can see, we've got our big red mosaic, male, and his female. And they have started building, so I'm very excited about that as well. The red factors, as you can see, we've got nest material in. And they haven't really started building. This is another pair of red mosaics. I don't think they've started building, but as you can see, either of these, so yeah. This couple, I believe, maybe just a little bit, not a lot, so yeah. All the birds are ready for the breeding season, and we have a new pair of a new pair of goldfinches. We believe it's female and male. Very excited. A new experiment for the season. See if they breed. So yeah. I haven't opened the divider yet for them. So yeah. Guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.